Stalks, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe because you want to and that you really, like me. If you don't like me, don't subscribe. Because we growing over here, okay? You hear stuff in the background. Not my fault. I'm a whole mother. I had to put on a hat because I have paint in my hair because we just finished painting. So I'm not gonna say too much. I am going to do an unboxing for you guys. If I have to do a voiceover, you already know the deal, I will. My baby's a little fussy today, but mama still gotta work. I think I might be coming down with like a slight cold. Because the way that I've been sniffling is just not cute. It's not cute at all. But this is not even going to be, is this lopsided? Ghetto! I'm just gonna do the whole video like this. Y'all just gonna be lopsided. Ghetto. Do you like the hat though? I am doing an unboxing today, and yes, girl, it is the truth. I have never bought a pair of Jordans in my life, okay? Say I never had a pair of Jordans. Shout out to my cousin, okay? She know who she is. Back in the day, I would say we were in her room and she was teaching me how to dance, child. She was like, no, Gigi, you need to go like this. I was just talking to her like, what am I supposed to do at this party? What am I supposed to wear? And she just pulls out these black suede Jordans. They were ones, but I didn't know at the time they were ones. And she's like, here, go ahead, take them. Gave me the box and everything. And I'm like, oh my God, you sure? And look at me, little old me like this. I've never had Jordans before. I was not paying no money for nobody's Jordans. Go Jordan your ass all the way down there to Payless. Remember when the Shaqs came out, y'all? When the Shaqs came out in Payless and him dunking. Like, I remember when that came out. Like, I know they still out there, like, at Walmart and shit. But remember when his sneakers came out, bro? And everybody was comparing them. Stop it. I never had money to look cute or to buy Jordans, and I would always see like the other kids and be like, well, damn, I wish I could get those. And now, today, at 36 years old, I finally have purchased my first pair. So the other day, well, I wouldn't even say the other day, but a few weeks ago, we went to the mall, we went to Finish Line. Parlay and I, we're just window shopping. So we're gonna get Parlay a pair as well so we can match or choose another sneaker. I think we decided on this one, that we would do a his and a her, but I digress. I'm going to do this unboxing for you guys so you can see. It's going to be quick because it's just shoes, but literally, I'm really excited because I don't know. I've always wanted to get into sneakers. I might still get into sneakers. Honestly, I'm going to be in everything. That's why this is just GB. Welcome, okay? No guidance whatsoever. We're just doing whatever the hell we want over here, okay? Looks like we don't give a shit. Because we don't give a shit. USA ground shipping. I am actually shocked that my daughter is quiet right now. Okay, I can hear her. Ooh. The classic black box. Ever since my cousin gave me the sneakers, they were, like I said, black suede. They were black suede ones. Now, I don't know if they were high top, mid, short. I don't know nothing about that, but I do like the ones. I've never actually worn any other Jordan number. Does that make sense? I've never worn any other Jordan number. It's only been a 1. So in my sneaker journey, and you guys can help me out too, okay? In my sneaker journey, I would like to try, the different numbers. How many numbers does it go up to? I don't even know. I have no idea. This is totally new for me. So I got the Air Jordan 1 mid. Okay, it's a 8.5 for me in men's because I am a 9.5. Ooh. Oh, what was that? Finish line receipt. And if I, you know, want to return them or anything, but we're not returning them. All right, so of course I ripped the paper. These are smooth. Look at how pretty. Oh my God, and I'm not even a blue person. That's funny. I can be blue at a lot of times. I'm extra sensitive, guys. I'm extra sensitive. All right, so we're gonna try these bad boys on. I can smell out of one nostril. Oh, these smell good. Oh, I got some lipstick on it. Yeah, so these look phenomenal. Oh, what's that? What is that? Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? It has the kind of like windbreaker material right here. And it has the Air Jordan logo in blue. You know what a sneaker looks like. You know what a shoe looks like. The sole's in there. All right, and then that's the box with the 23, 23, 23, 23. 21, 21. 21 sounds better. 21, 21. If you were savage, 23, 23, 23, 23. Too much to say the 3. 21. 21 sounds better. Anyway. Let's try these bad boys on. I think I'm gonna lace them and then come back to you. All right, guys, so that's the way the shoes look on me. I love them. What do you guys think? Make sure you leave a comment down below. And y'all, it's my first time buying Jordans. Like, oh my God. That's so sad. I still have my black card. Just because I didn't have a pair of Jordans growing up don't mean I lose my black card. That shouldn't even be in the same sentence, okay? It's a struggle out here, all right? Buying sneakers don't make you any more or less black. It was a quick video, nothing too long. Hopefully this video is not too long. No more than like 6-7 minutes, but I really do appreciate you guys showing me some love, and I can't wait for the next video. I'm really trying to do it big this year and really like put in a lot of effort in. Yeah, I know I'm only posting like one video every 2 weeks, but I promise you it's because I'm putting more quality into my videos, if that makes any sense. Like I want to up my videos a little bit more so that, you know, it's not like the same generic thing that I've been doing. Although I probably would go back to the same generic thing, just upgrade it, you know. And then let me upgrade you. Anyway, let me stop talking. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to see you in the next video. Deuces. Bye.